Claps.
Good morning, y'all. So I'm about to go to the gym right now. I'm about to put my waist trainer on. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Today is a reset day for me because I've been slacking with the gym, but we're gonna get it together. And yes, that's exactly what is going on today. I have a lot of stuff to do. Oh, I think I need to get another one. This is not really working. Oh, yeah, there we go. So this helps my stomach because I want to really tone my stomach down. So it makes me sweat in this area. But I'll fix it. But yeah, so today is gym day and it's so much that I have to do after. I have to go check my P.O box as well. I want to go to Sephora, but I don't know yet. I want to go to Sephora to see if I could get some stuff for my face because my face is breaking out right here. I know why it's breaking out. It's because of the braids. So normally when I get box braids, I can't have it in for a long time, and I feel like I overdid it. I don't like washing my box braids. If I feel like I have to wash it, it's just time for it to come out. So that's basically what happened to this side of the face. As you can see, this side is clear, but yeah, so I want to go to Sephora and get some stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today, but we gonna go to the gym first and knock this out, and then we gonna you know, start our day. So y'all, I'm about to check my P.O box, which is right here. Let's see what's in there. Well, my keys is annoying right now. Ooh, is that something?
Few moments later.
So y'all, I just came back from the gym. Had to change my shirt because my shirt was like soaking wet. I still have to get in the shower, but I definitely worked my behind out because I owe it to the gym. But I went to the post office and I had got these packages. I had picked up all of my stuff from the post office. This is one, and these are the other two right here. So I am about to open these two up to see what it is. I kind of opened it, but I didn't really see. Yes, so these are some leggings that were sent to me by the company. It's called Fitting.shop. So it's right here. I will leave the information down below. But I just fell in love with these leggings, and I really just, and you know what's so funny? I just came from the gym, y'all. So this came right on time because I was just saying I need some black leggings. I need some black leggings for the gym. So I love the feel of it already. It feels so good. It definitely is stretchy. So this is definitely a plus in my book, y'all. And the next piece, let's see, what's this one? Oh, okay. So I believe this is the top to it. And again, it's by Fitting.shop.com. I'm gonna leave everything down below, like I said, so y'all can go and get y'all one. Or check out their shop. And this is the jacket to it. Oh, this is super cute. Super, super, super cute. I really, really like this. Oh my God, I like the back. I love the set. Oh, wow. Like, I really, really like this. I'm definitely going to try it on right now, and we're going to see how it fits. So, let me try it on right now. So, y'all, these are the pieces that I have gotten in the mail. And, oh my God, the material feels so good and it's comfortable.
2 moments later.
What she needs? I need to do like this. Just need move.
Okay. So I'm gonna go to the pool for a little while and do some work over there. The life of the life. But I'm about to go to the pool and just enjoy. Probably have some breakfast too.
Hold me till I scream for air to breathe, and wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, babe.
Next day.
Really? So I'm about to go back out. I just finished taking my shower. I didn't put on nothing crazy. I just have a simple top on and a skirt. I'm gonna show y'all. So yeah, so I have a simple top on and a skirt. But yeah, I have to go out and run a couple of errands right now and do everything before my son is about to come home from school. The weekend is about to start. So that's exactly what I'm about to do. There is supposed to be a storm, but we don't know how bad the storm is going to be in Florida. So I'm going to go and prepare myself, like get little snacks and stuff like that. And then probably, I don't know, I'll probably go to TJ Maxx or something like that. I don't know. But yeah, so I have so much in my brain right now that's going on. But we're about to head out right now. Also, oh, I forgot to tell you, the lizard that I had recorded, it had came in when I was working out. So that was kind of annoying. But at the end of the day, I got my workout on still. It was a peaceful workout, and I'm about to head out right now so I could get everything started and go on about my day.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss?
Somebody's pumping the gas. Big boy.
The next day.
So we're walking to go see Black Panther family movie night. It is beautiful outside and cannot complain. The weather is A1 out here. As always, no complaints over here. I love it, love it, love it. Family over there in the front. So So we just came back from the movies. I'm about to take, oh Jesus, my hair is still, but anyway, we just came back from the movies. I'm about to take this makeup off my face and get my behind in the bed because I ain't trying to wake up late tomorrow. I need to cook a dinner. So that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I'm so happy that I cleaned up what I needed to clean up, so I don't have to do too much for tomorrow. But yeah, today was successful. Definitely gotta go watch that movie, Black Panther. It's definitely a plus. But yeah, I'm about to call it a night, y'all. And I'm gonna see y'all in the morning, okay?
I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text, didn't call me. Still got love for your mommy. I know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yes, I'm hurt, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You'll try to come back when you faint. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not bad. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of the things I don't wanna say. I won't be around while you chase. You wanna hear me out when you make it. You'll try to come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop.